What if AI could help you to go from an idea to a product design, to ads and even a blueprint in just a few minutes and one chat? This is what we're going to do today in our dream product activity. We're going to use ChatGPT new image model, which actually is a very smart visual model with a good eye for design. Welcome Goddesses to this week's AI Goddesses activity. And if you don't know what this is, AI Goddesses is a global women's community dedicated to help women feel confident, creative, and capable with AI. And I'm Faye. I used to be a software architect. Now I'm an AI educator. I do AI coaching, workshops, and this passion project of mine, this lovely community, which I create for you every week, these AI activities to learn about AI in a fun and practical way. I'm glad you joined me. Let's begin. Let's start by logging into ChatGPT. You go to chatgpt.com and you click on login. You can log in with any account. If you want to use the app, search for ChatGPT and make sure you install the one that says OpenAI because there's a lot of fake ones out there. Now that we're logged in, we're gonna put in the prompt. So we're gonna start by asking it to create a product catalog image of this product. And here we can describe our product freely since it's a chat and it understands us. So to actually create the product I want, I need to make sure that I explain myself well to the AI. So I start by answering these guided questions that I sent you. First of all, what problem does my product solve? What joy it brings? What does it look like? What is the shape, size, maybe colors or materials if I know them? And who is it for? Who is my audience? Who is the person I'm solving the problem for? So this is all to make sure that I have a good prompt. So I'm gonna delete this and answer these questions for my product. We can use the voice feature and I'm gonna go ahead and say, please create a product catalog page image of the following product. We're creating a designer chic water bottle purse. So it's not a water bottle, it's actually a water bag, and it's gonna be solving the issue of the giant clunky water bottles that are not comfortable to carry around and don't have room to put any of your stuff. But we also want to make it beautifully and designed. So we create an harmonious bag that looks like an intricate lattice wrapping around the water container, which should be visible, with a little embedded compartment for my stuff at the top for the purse. A complete design. It's meant for these women that go to yoga, that walk around with a water bottle for hydration. It's meant to show that you have self-care and that you care about beauty and design. And when I'm done, I can here, it will turn this all to text and then we can send it. Now it's creating our image. It will take a minute or so. Look at what a beautiful product image it made me. Wow, this bag, this design. Look at all the details and everything is written correctly and the model looks beautiful, of course. We have room for our stuff, we have the sip, the straw, and we have this beautiful intricate design. Amazing, love it. So we have the beautiful image. What can we do with it? So let's make it into an Instagram ad. So it takes the same design, the same bag, but it makes it optimized for Instagram. You see I get the square and I get all these kind of details here and the CTA. Let's see what else it can do. With this playful example, I want to show you the possibilities. So in this case, I brought back one of my old products from another activity, the octopus sofa. So I wanted a cuddly sofa that you can sit on and cuddle with its arms, and it will be like a beanbag, and it made me this beautiful product image catalog, including like the sizes and weight. That's funny. Very nice. Look at the details, really. Then I asked it to make it into an Instagram ad in pink color. How beautiful. First of all, you see how different it is from the catalog page. And you see how optimized it is for Instagram. And every detail here is designed. Not only we have these little things around, but look at what it says on the wall. You deserve to rest, your new safe space, in my rest era on the book. It's amazing the details, the understanding of the design and the understanding of the Instagram crowd. Now let's see what else can happen here. So another thing is I asked it to put it on a poster in shopping mall. So you can see what it would look like. See everyone in the background, it looks like a really real picture, a little different design. But let's say we challenge it more. I've asked it to make the same thing, but as a LinkedIn ad. Very different vibe, right? And see how well it did with this task. First of all, it chose the color. You see the entire language here is different now. There's no cute stuff everywhere. It's not Instagram. It focused instead of cuteness on reducing stress, ergonomic comfort, happy teams or productive teams. See how appropriate that is. It completely understood the style and made the changes appropriately. So now not only do we have like an AI that can make images, now the new ChatGPT actually really understands the design concept of the images, all the little details around and the difference. It thinks about it, not just creates what we ask, but think about what else needs to be there to make it optimized for what we need. There is more analysis here, and it's giving us amazing results. I'll show you here another example. Here I try to make a product which is like a good-looking umbrella hat. You know, those silly-looking umbrella hats, they're usually colorful. And I think that's actually very useful, but I would never wear one. So I made this designer hat. Like you see now that my prompt was very short, I didn't give a lot of details, and I got something, but this is not really what I wanted. So I fixed it. I said, it's a chat, we can continue. I said, it doesn't feel like what I wanted. It's clumsy. I was going more for design, for a boutique style. And look at what a different result I got. So much more accurate to what I wanted, to still have the protection, but give this like, you know, boutique vibe. This is also beautiful, the model and the design and everything. Now, I love this design. Let's say I actually want to see what the product would look like. Maybe I want to make it. I've asked it to make a blueprint of the hat, and it gave me a full detailed blueprint. This is how deep the ChatGPT understanding now of design and images is. You can see that it gave me the sizes, how you wear it. It gave me like the entire detail of every layer of the hat, how it would look like, which color will have, and the full mechanism. And you can see that there is even a detail of the material technology. All of these specs, the weights and the materials and everything, this it gave me from a product that I just invented, and all of this was from the product image that it created. Think what an amazing place it is to start from, to go to make your product from this blueprint that you have much more knowledge about what you want. So after a while, you might reach your image creation limit. You'll get this message and an error when you try to create an image. And it's okay, they give us like 5 to 10 free images a day. You can either upgrade or wait for tomorrow. And if you're really itching to continue your product journey, you can go over to Gemini, which we've tried in our previous activities, and it also is really good at creating realistic images and understanding, and you can see it made me a beautiful version of the water bed. Not as good as ChatGPT right now, but still amazing. Now it's your turn. Ready? You've got this. You just watch me do it. Just try to experience the full workflow first and worry about the product details later. So what did we do? We started by asking for a product catalog image. Then we described our idea according to the guiding questions. Then we just sent it away. And now we're happy with our product. We're going to go ahead and make it into an ad by just asking what platform we want the ad to be on and letting the chat take care of everything else. From there, we can ask for a blueprint and anything else on our mind. Thank you so much for joining me. I will see you next time. And in the meantime, if you want to know more about AI, you can go to our website, aigoddesses.community, and go to our resources, where I have special surprises for you, like special prompts and my favorite tools and our business workshop. If you enjoyed with us, please invite a friend to join us. The more women feeling confident and creative with AI, the better world we can build.